Hi everyone, it's Diane C. I just wanted to tell you guys that I think I solved the buzzing problem that I'm having. What was I going to say? Oh, it overheats, and I wanted to tell Nicole Green, thank you very much, because I think you're right. I'm on my phone very much and a lot, and I use it for shopping, I use it for browsing, so it's very possible that it's overheating when I use it. Because, and plus, it was really hot that day when I went to West LA a couple days ago. It was really hot. It was like 95. And, I was walking around with it and, stuff like that. And I was on it. So it's time for a new cell phone. This one's cracked. It's still working. I'm going to get it fixed because I just want to. It's about 3 years old, maybe 2.5 to 3 years old. And I am going to get it fixed. I found a place that'll fix the crack for $69. That's really good. So I'm going to take it in after I'm done with where I am right now and take it in. So I just wanted to tell you guys the buzz will go away as soon as I get a new phone or a new camera. Thanks a lot. Bye.